don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EASYBET. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T&Cs apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Stellenbosch 0. I'm joined by my brother Kamabanu Pumagupi.
Okay, Stibo. The previous speakers, they tell you that no, you must call us champions. Champions 3, yes. Stellenbosch 0.
Yes.
And what I want to say now, Stibo, before we start, I say to all mothers out there, Happy Mother's Day today. Those fathers, please, guys, if you have mother in the house, you have a wife, take your wife for a dinner today. Like myself now, I'm going to take my wife for a dinner today. We are going to eat outside. Yes. So then, I'm telling you, all of you, my champions. I need pap. In Namtanje, we are not eating pap. We are eating outside. We're eating nicely. Cardoso had dish. Now we are going to eat. Yeah. So then, Sibo, I want to say, I'm no longer seeing PhD in the interviews. It's disappeared. Only one guy that I see. There's a guy that I see yesterday wearing a suit, a nice suit. For all of the Pirates fan, man, I don't know that name. Brother Mutao. Yeah, I see Mutao is here. He's here. He was wearing nicely. He confessed. For Sundowns had run away with the league. Yeah, he did. Sundowns must be given. In the last interview, it's the first time to hear confessing when Sundowns has gone. Yeah. Stibo, we are gone. Yeah. Stibo, we need to be respected in South Africa. Yeah, that's true. And to be honest, Chiefs and Pirates, they must start first respect Sundowns. Yes. We play good football. Quality football. And if they want to learn how to play football, they must come to Chlorokop. And learn. And we are not closing the doors. Yeah. The doors are open. Open for everybody. Everybody to learn. Yeah. And if they want players, we can give them for free. Because we know, we used to, actually we give Kaizer Chiefs. We gave them Serino. We give them all players. I can count now. We give them Kikendoli. We give them Kamabiliat, we give them Castro, we give them Kilampela, we give them Ramatan Patele. Still nothing. We give them just Azada. We can name them. Give them Ribeiro. I can give them Ribeiro tomorrow. No problem. But unfortunately, we are going to the Club World Cup, Stibo. But before we go to Club World Cup, we still have one thing that we need to finalize. Because the champion already we wrap up today. Pirates, they can win all of their games, but we're still sitting there. We're going to lift it on the 17th. It's done. So then now I'm saying to Stibo, one thing that we left is the second star. That on the 24th we are wrapping up. When we go to Cairo, we'll be done. So then now, Stibo, I'm saying we are going to get a final at the Club World Cup. People, they can say that I'm dreaming. I'm not dreaming. I'm saying we are going to get to the final of the Club World Cup. Yes. Sundowns is a big team. The best team. We sign players from overseas coming to play Sundowns. No any other team that do that in South Africa. Which team that you can say you can count it? Kaizer Chiefs. No, Kaizer Chiefs. He go to Zimbabwe. He go to the DRC. We don't sign DRC. We sign from South America, overseas, Brazil, South America, coming South Africa to play Sundowns. So we are a big team. So then, Stibo, I'm rapping about this, Stibo. Chiefs and Pirates, I'm calling all Chiefs and Pirates fans, let's start to respect Sundowns. Yes. We are the best team in South Africa. The formation that we are playing, no any other coach that can be hired by Sundowns not able to play that system. Mara, Kaizer Chiefs on Orlando Pirates, and Orlando Pirates is going to have a difficult season next season. Next season? It's going to be tough. Tough.
Is that your message to the PhD?
I'm saying to PSG,
I'm gonna give you.
she must come and get interviewed. She must not run away, because she was saying the league was already wrapped when Parity play 5 games. Sundowns, we are telling PSG.
He's a she now.
5 games.
PSG.
Yeah, it's a she now. Kim Saad, man. Kim Saad,
I'm gonna come.
I'm saying, no, PSG, Thibaut, PhD, he's saying Parity win a league when they win 5 games. We're saying Sundowns, after 5 games left, we win the league. Thank you, Thibaut. Thank you.
Thank you, my brother.
Sundowns is the champion.